Hello friends, it's Cindy Brumbaugh from CindyLeeBDesigns.com, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today I have a cute little gift card holder for you that just pops up and suspends inside one of our pizza boxes. Isn't that cute? So it is going to probably be my shortest video, so let's see what we can do here. I am using the Broadway Birthday Specialty paper. Remember that paper with the beautiful gold accents to it? Oh, it's so pretty, but yet it's got all the pretty colors in it too. The lovely lipstick, lemon lime twist that's going to be leaving us, so you might want to start looking at getting some retiring colors in your inks or your stamp pads if you haven't got them yet, or your papers. If you already do have those ink pads, you want to have the coordinating papers that go with it, and make sure you get your ink refills as well. So we're going to be using this Broadway Birthday Specialty paper, and we're going to be using these awesome pizza boxes that we sell. These are a great item to have on hand. You can put little gifts in them. You can also put a gift card in them, anything you want. And they have a special protective coating in the inside, so they are food safe. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using one of these pizza boxes. We're just going to fold up on the score lines of the pizza box. It's already made for you, really economical too. And so we're just going to fold on all those score lines. And I find it easiest to put a little bit of tear tape on these two little flaps just to keep it together right there on where it's folded on the back portion there. So let's just take a little bit of tear tape here and put it on that flap there just to keep our little pizza box together. There you go. You'll remember that I did a video with an ensemble using the Forever Lovely stamp set and the beautiful paper, the Be Mine paper. Be Mine paper. Really pretty, and I put a lotion in there. So if you have not seen that video, it's a really good video that shows how you can use the pizza box for a little gift. And so we're just going to pop together. Of course, you guys can't see this as well as I can. So let's just get this together there. I love that it is that food grade safe there on the inside. And we're going to pop these ones over. You have a couple little pieces that the machine leaves in there whenever you get these pizza boxes. So here we go. Then these little flaps here fit right down into these holes. So once you fold up and over, well, actually it's not those flaps, it's the ones on the inside. So anyhow, here we go with our box. Ha, lovely. Just think of the things you can do with this. You can actually sponge it. You can color it with your Stampin' Blends. Anything you want to do with this nice generic little very sturdy box. Okay, so what we're going to now put on here is a border of black, and I used the basic black cardstock, and it is 3 1/4 inch square. So then I'm just going to use my snail and put a nice amount of snail across there and just center it onto the box lid. I love this white. It's a nice pretty white that coordinates well with our Whisper White products that we have. Then we're going to take this candle with the gold flames on it, and it is into a 3 inch square because we wanted to have an 1/8 inch border the whole way around. So we're just going to pop that. Oh, before we pop that on, we're going to be using these strips here. And these are I cut these 1x4. They were already cut in my stash. But I want to put it down across on the front of our card, not the card, the box, because I want to really set off this birthday that I'm going to have cut in gold. So I find it easier to cut longer, and then you can snip off. My father-in-law always said, better to have and not need than need and not have. So there you go. I have that little border on there. And then that just corresponds with the black that's already on the border for the pizza box. And there we go, the front. That black just breaks it up and then makes this happy birthday, the birthday sentiment that comes from the Well Said bundle. We are using the Well Said bundle with all those great sentiments there for every occasion with, oh my gosh, so many different dies there. Words, a couple cute little flowers, a heart. So what we're going to do is just take our Tombow glue, make our little blob of glue there, and keep just touching. This is a little tricky because with gold foil, it's so easy to just touch it with glue or adhesive, and then it just gets all funky looking. So just put some glue on some select areas on there, and then leave yourself a place to just kind of, let me put some on the Y. I don't think I got enough on the Y, okay? A little on the A. There we go. And then I just put that down onto my black paper. And look how that pops off of there. Now what's missing there, you say? The eye. Make sure when you use your die cut that you don't lose your little eye. If you do, you can use a hole punch, but you just want to get that little eye. So there we go. It's on my hand. I can see it. I'm going to put a little dab of glue right above the eye. There we go. And then I'm going to grab, no, I'm not, because it's at my other desk. I'm going to stick, no, I think I will grab my tweezers. I had them over there. I was using them to fix something else. So there we go. We're going to stick this gold top on the eye. And then I was just thinking, I was going to put the happy on there, but then it would have just taken away a little bit more from the gold on there. So what I did is I just stamped it and popped it up. So I just took a piece of Whisper White, and I took my Memento Black. Love Memento Black. Really versatile because you can use it for everything. You know, when you're coloring with your blends, you need to use Memento. So I'm just going to put happy and another happy. And then I'm going to do a 2. I like that the stamp set, you can just build a whole bunch of different sentiments. And then U. Okay, we've got all the words that go on the front of our card, and then we're just going to simply clip them out. And this is nice and easy because it's about one little snip on each side of the word, so you really can't mess it up. So we've got a happy, and then we want to get another happy. Why? Because I just think it gives it a little more pizzazz on the front of this, having 2 happies on there. So we've got happy, happy, birthday to you. So let's get this little 2 cut. To you. There's a word for that's in that Well Said bundle, so you could put for you, and there's also a I thought there was a from, I'm not sure. So let's just wipe off all those little scraps, and let's pop these up with some dimensionals here. Okay, I have some little pieces left here on the edge of mine, so I'm going to put that on the happy. Let's put it on the middle there, and then we're just going to pull off the back of the dimensional, and I'm going to put this happy first, because then I know I have room. How many times have you put something down and say, oh, I don't have enough room there? So now I'm just going to cut this piece here and pop it on the other happy. I used to see where people would just cut out those words, and I thought that is just really a neat way to just do something different on your card. So there we go, and then we have this little tiny piece here that's snipped away. We'll put it on the back of the 2. There we go. Working in the miniature here. Okay. 2 and you. I can see this is a little crooked here, so I'm going to just trim that up. Oh, and then looks like we can almost put this little scrap right here, right on here. Whoop. There we go. Using up every little scrap. My friend Steph would be proud of me. There we go. Outside of the box is already done. So what I did on the inside is I used this square here to make another cute little decoration there. And I used the same size of paper. Remember, all the measurements, the materials that I've used on a project, the colors, the tools I've used are always on my blog, cindyleebdesigns.com. And you can just go over there and take a look to find out what I used. You can subscribe to my blog and then you'll be notified. I usually post 3 times a week with a video on Wednesdays. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube videos too. You'll be notified whenever I've posted. Oh, what did I do? I told you I like to put this on here. So let's just shimmy off this little piece here. Let's see if I can get that without messing everything up. There we go. I think I managed to keep it. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Okay, so I want to put actually my black on just like I did on the front. I want to do it before. I love the numbers on this because let's put it right in the middle. There we go. We're putting the black across, whoop. I can see some of this on this side here. Let's put that across the middle. There we go. And snip off the back. Nice little straight snip. And then we're going to put it onto here. And then when I was looking in the Well Said bundle, I wanted 2 sentiments to go with birthday. I love the best thing about today is you. But I was looking for one up here and I thought, you know, I think that celebrating another year of happiness, that's great for an anniversary, but that's also a great one for a birthday. We need to encourage ourselves to always look at the happy things in life, not to focus on the times that things aren't going right, but just think about it. It's going to be another year of happiness. So what we're going to do is I stamp those in Memento Black and I use the petals and more thinlits. Boy, I'm getting a lot of mileage out of those framelits. They're perfect for cutting out sentiments, let alone all the pretty things that are in the set. So the petals and more, and then I put that on this decoration there on the top. And then I just put some, I'm hoping my snail is gonna hold this, but you might use something a little stronger. So far it has held it, but it's on that protective, smooth inside, but it seems like this one's holding together. Now, the other thing I did is I popped this up, and I'd like to thank Rhonda Wade for giving me that idea. And I just realized that on this one, I stuck my shreddy here. But what I did is I put a piece of black down there, but I don't have a piece here. So we're just going to look at what I did here, okay? Rhonda had a video where she put a little thing that pops it up out of the card. So what I did is just go ahead and put a 3 1/4 inch black and put it down into the bottom. And I would adhere that down too. There we go. I can't believe I missed that when I was getting my supplies ready. So you just put that down into the inside of your card, and then you're just going to take a 1x7 piece of, I used a thick Whisper White, and then I just accordion folded it, and then you'll just put it onto the back of a gift card. So let me get a piece of tear tape. Where'd the tear tape go? Oh, there it is. So we're gonna put a piece of tear tape there, just to keep it on to the gift card. And then you'll just put this, you'll put one piece down on the black and then one piece onto the back of your gift card. Okay, so there we go. So you have one piece on the gift card and then one piece goes down onto the black part, okay? So you've scored it 1 inch, so it was a 1 7 inch, and you scored it every inch so that you could make an accordion fold so that it could hold the gift card. And this one just happens to be a hotel card, but I'm just showing you how. And then I just took and put a black to go with the theme of everything, and I just put it across my gift card and trimmed it off. There we go. And I put this cute little sentiment here. The best thing about you, best thing about today is you. And I put that on there. And then you just pop that down into, remember you'll have tear tape here, that's going in the bottom of your box. And then, and the reason I put the black is so that it has that same theme of black, black, black. And then just take some Shreddy and pop it around the gift card, not with the glue. Just pop that around the gift card. Kind of just makes it festive and then makes the gift card kind of sit out there. And then I don't have super skinny fingers. So what I did is I got all of this kind of stuff and I pushed away in there. And then I put the sides down and then you just pop it closed. And this seemed to stay pretty nice and closed for me. I didn't have to really worry. A lot of people put a belly band around there if you want. You could put some black ribbon around here. But I just loved how cute and easy this was. Just putting a black border on the front, the inside, and the bottom. And then just finding the nice sentiments, happy, happy birthday to you. And then popping off that gift card. You're just putting some adhesive on the back of the gift card, and it's 1x7 scored every 1 inch and then just accordion folded. And then you'll put a piece of tear tape here and put that down into the bottom of the box on the black square, and it just kind of suspends there. So when they open it up, it's just got some festive look to it. So a really easy thing to do using that Well Said bundle and these pizza boxes. Put them on your next order because you will find really neat things to do with these pizza boxes. Well, kids, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at cindyleeb@gmail.com. If you have any questions you want to talk to me about, you can always call me at 724-323-2296, or you can text me with a question. And make sure you check out my blog. I've got some fun things over there. Thanks for buzzing by, friends.